on a rag and wipe them down.
What's up? It's Dallas from Faulkner Toyota with BJ Austin, the new car manager. We hit our objective for the month. The man is a man of his word. We're gonna shave his head now. We're Team Faulkner, baby. Watch it. Here we go. First swipe, baby. On the side. Oh, that's fresh. Oh, that's fresh. Next, Mr. Toyota. Mr. Toyota.
I'll do this. I don't sell too many new cars. Oh my God!
You nervous yet?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh my. Who's next?
Chris, get in there, Chris.
Absolutely.
Let me take over. All right, Josh, you
My
get next.
turn. That's what you get for being a Mets fan.
Oh man!
Oh!
Chris, when you done with him?
Josh. Jen, you next?
I got this. I got this. I like to go to the media's part.
Big
of the house,
Sexy's
too.
next.
Buddy, I'm not probably the best at this.
Hey, that's fine.
Look at that precision.
Oh, baby.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, I'm going to trim it up.
He's just gonna keep going there. There you go.
He's losing it
Jen?
all anyhow, so you might as well take a few
Jen, give it a
swipes.
swipe. New girl.
You're going to lose it all. You might as well swipe it off.
I'm so scared.
Come on, Lana.
Ow!
Look, spider. All right, guys. BJ, any last words, my man?
No, no.
All right,
I
guys.
don't even want to look. I don't even want to look.
He has a mullet.
Not even.
Holy hell. Oh, my God.